Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you to this COMHOMA relax chair, television armchair with a recliner, function. Feather cushion with a footrest and a single recliner living room, bedroom, home cinema, PU grade. You see, you have here all what you need to have a nice time. It is available in blue, in brown, in grey, in orange, in black, or in white on the market. With an adjustable recliner, the COMHOMA adjustable armchair allows us to enjoy our perfect sitting position. Whenever we are prepared to sit straight, we put our legs up or lie flat. The backrest is adjustable from 90 to 60 degrees, and it can be adjusted according to our desired sitting position. And we have high quality materials with a sturdy metal frame and a high quality materials such as polyester, wadding, and foam. This armchair offers a durability and comfort in a modern design. Thanks to the robust materials and the sturdy structure, the maximum load capacity is up to 150 kilograms. That's a lot. A recliner is an armchair or a sofa that reclines when the occupant lowers the chair's back and raises its front. It has a backrest that can be tilted back, and often a footrest that may be extended by means of a lever on the side of the chair, or many extended automatically when the back is reclined. This here is an automatic recliner. A recliner is also known as a recliner chair, lounge, and an armchair. Modern recliners often feature an adjustable headrest, a lumbar support, and an independent footstool that adjusts with the weight and the angle of the user's legs to maximize the comfort. Additional features including head massage and vibrations, some also wheelchair accessibility. Here it comes, the COMHOMA recliner is a finer, nice furniture. Recliner can also accumulate a near supine position for sleeping. That makes this multifunction furniture and are common in airplanes and trains as well as homes. The word recliner was first used in 1660s, derived ultimately from the Latin word reclinar. This Latin term itself combined the prefix re, meaning back, with a clinar, meaning clinar, to bend. This began in the 1880s. The word recliner was used to describe a type of chair. Around the 1850, the French introduced a reclining camp bed that could serve as a chair, a bed, and a chair's lounge. It was portable and features a padded armrest and the steel frame. In the late 1800s, many designs were found of motion chairs that were made of wood with a padded seat in the back. Designed from France and America include a document or a book holder. The first reclining chair was reported owned by Napoleon III. You see, you have here the history of a big bunch of comfort. Knappers and Shoemakers, two American cousins, are created with a gaining a patent on a wooden recliner. The design was the same wooden band recliner found in other designs. Issued in 1928, the patent led the founding on a lazy boy. In 1930s, Knappers and Shoemakers patented an upholstered model with a mechanical movement. In 1959, Daniel F. Kaltmeyer patented a recliner as owner of a National Furniture MFG CO based in Evansville, Indiana. The design was based on the science of kinetics that he used while serving the U.S. Air Force. His design was used by the NASA for the seats and projects Mercury, Gemini, and Apollo. You see, more history with such furniture. His chairs were used the raid room of their mission and can be seen at Apollo 13. The Secret Service bought 50 of them for the President Lyndon Baines Johnson as a Christmas gift. A Life magazine photo of President Johnson post gallbladder surgery has the president lifting his shirt and showing his scar while sitting on these chairs. The presidential seal was embossed on desk chairs with the current in the Smithsonian Institute and other at the London Business Johnson Library and Museum. With over 300 patents, customers added the foot lift rest, headed seating and massage features to the chair and add the patent of the first entertainment center. You see, this comes with feather cushion. The thick designed foam is supported by high-quality parked spring and a kind of spring that can be worked independently and provide the full support of the body and improve the sitting experience. We have also reinforced armrests, because the armrests are especially reinforced for extra comfort and support, thus making the chair ideal for prolonged sittings. This recliner offers us an optimal place to relax and chill. We can use the armchair in the living room, bedroom, or office, and child's play cleaning. The sofa is made of durable PU materials, which not only provides excellent comfort, but it also very easy to care of it. A simple wipe is enough to keep it clean and tight. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.